Hello. So in this question, you have to determine which set of diagrams represents the molecules of nitrogen, which is N, hydrogen, H, and ammonia, which is NH3. So in terms of these of nitrogen and hydrogen, they're part of a category of something called diatomic molecules. So diatomic molecules, di means two and atomic, so diatomic atoms. So this just means that it takes two of these to make a molecule. So for example, in our diagram here, diagram B and diagram D, the molecules, so it takes two nitrogen atoms to make one nitrogen molecule. So right away we know that A is not correct and C is not correct because you have individual floating nitrogens and individual floating hydrogens. Now another question would be which elements are diatomic? I use a rhyme that goes something like this. I bring clay for our new home. So iodine, bromine, chlorine, fluorine, oxygen, nitrogen, and hydrogen. I bring clay for our new home. These are the ones that are always diatomic, which means that in nature generally they exist in pairs. And I want to add one more to it, sulfur. Sometimes. So I bring clay for our new home sometimes. Sometimes sulfur will be diatomic, but usually it's just these ones on the left. So therefore, now we go down between B and D. So next, you have to look up what is ammonia. So ammonia is NH3. NH3, this just means that there's one nitrogen and three hydrogens attached to it. So looking at these two diagrams, diagram D is not it because it seems like there's one nitrogen and four hydrogens around it. So this one's not right. And B is right because there's one nitrogen and three hydrogens around it. Also, a quick tip, NH4 is ammonium. And how I remember the difference between NH4 and NH3. NH3, ammonia, it's shorter in terms of letters. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Ammonia has 7 letters. Ammonium, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ammonium has 8 letters. Since ammonia is longer, I remember this as NH4 and ammonia is NH3. So therefore, the answer should be B.